Once you are on the Bluehost homepage, you want to click this big green button, Get Started Now. Here we can choose an hosting plan. We have three options: the basic plan, the plus plan, and the prime plan. My recommendation is to choose between the basic and the plus plan. Let me explain the differences. If you want to create only one website, one single website, the basic plan is good for you. You can host only one domain under this hosting plan, and that's it. It's the cheapest one, and it's fine. Instead, if you want to create more than one website and have multiple domains under the same hosting plan, you would have to choose the plus plan, because as you see, you can have unlimited websites under the same hosting plan. Now you might say, the prime plan has the same price as the plus plan. Yes, but it has more extras that we don't really need. They are a waste of money because we can replace them with free plugins in WordPress. So my recommendation, as I said, is to choose between the basic and the plus plan. One website, unlimited websites. So either one you choose, click select, and then you can choose a new domain name, which is the address of your website, like google.com, facebook.com. You can choose a new one and buy it, or you can use the domain that you already have. If you bought it, for example, on GoDaddy or Namecheap. In this case, we are going to register a new one, just a random domain. Click next. Alright, here you have to put in all of your account information, first name, last name, address, and all of this stuff. And then we have an important part, which is the account plan. The more you decide to invest up front, the more money you are gonna save. If you pay only 12 months, you are gonna spend $7.95 a month, while if you decide to invest for 3 years, 36 months, you are gonna spend $5.95. Remember, this is the price of the plus plan. If you choose the basic plan, you are gonna spend less money, obviously. Then down here we have a few extras. The only one that I recommend is the domain privacy protection, which allows you to protect your personal information like the phone number, the address and name and last name. So I recommend to invest 99 cents a month. As for the other extras, I don't recommend them. In my opinion, they are a waste of money because we can replace them with free plugins in WordPress. So the only extra that I recommend is the domain privacy protection. Okay, once you are done, you can simply put in the payment information, and then let me zoom out a little bit, agree the terms of service, and click on submit. Alright guys, once you finish the checkout, you land on a page where you can choose a password for your account. Then you have to go to your email and find the email that Bluehost sent you with all the information, log in your account, and then go to the hosting section. In the hosting section you find this big page where it might seem complicated, but the only thing you have to do is simply click the button Install WordPress under the section Website. It's very easy. On the next page you simply have to click Install. It's completely free, and select a domain on which you want to install WordPress. Make sure the directory is blank. We want to install WordPress directly on the domain and not on a directory. At this point, simply click Next, and you'll land on a page where you have to put in the blog title that you can always change later, and the admin username that you are gonna use to log in. At this point, click Next, and in a few seconds, WordPress will be installed. Once the installation is completed, click on View Credentials, and here you have the login information that you use to log in WordPress. Don't click away, don't close the page, because you are not going to be able to recover this information. So save the password and the username, and then all you have to do to log in WordPress and start building your site is go to yourdomain/wp-admin. Your domain, for example, mario.com/wp-admin. This is the WordPress login page, so if you put in your username and then your password and click login, you're gonna start creating the website right away. Here we are on the WordPress dashboard. In this video I'm not gonna show you step by step how to build the WordPress website, but I can sum up the main points if you want. The first thing you have to do is to choose a theme. The theme is basically how your website looks like, the design. So if you move your mouse onto Appearance and then click on Themes, you can choose among many themes, free or paid. Click on Add New Theme, and then here it is. You can choose among many free themes. They are very nice. They are all created by professional programmers, so you don't have to be able to code or do anything. They are very easy to customize. Once you have chosen and installed the theme, to customize it, it's very simple. All you have to do is move your mouse over Appearance and then click on Customize. Let me zoom. Customize. On the right, you can see the changes in real time, and on the left, you have all the settings that you can change. For example, you can change the logo, the title, the subtitle. You can change the background image, the colors, the font. Also, in this case, this theme has a slider, so you can change the images of the slider, and everything is very customizable and easy to use. The third thing, very important thing you need to do, is to install some plugins. The plugins are basically short pieces of code that expand the functionality of your website. You can, for example, install a plugin that helps you with SEO, search engine optimization. You can install a plugin to allow people to share your content. There are many plugins. Some plugins make your site faster, for example. When you want to install a new plugin, over on Plugins and then click on Add New. And here you can search for whatever plugin you want. For example, I recommend a plugin called SumoMe to put the share button on your website. Click on Install Now and activate. You can repeat the same process for many plugins that you need. These are basically the most important things you need to know about a WordPress website.